here's the puzzle today.
I-uncheck, idol.
And this is all of it. So
Bad trip,
we
ah.
just bought this for 20 minutes
Bad tayo,
ago.
bad trip. Bad trip.
And then we go to Mommy. So we can go to, like, we are playing in the Magic Planet. So now we're gonna play puzzles.
Okay, let's start.
But there's a lot of children there, playing there. And you get to take me.
Okay,
But
go.
maybe it's late, but it cannot be 20 minutes. Because it cannot be more exciting, but this is cannot be the truth. Maybe the children can playing, but the parents have to collect the children off so they can play tomorrow. Now it will be my turn next time because now we're home. It's the end.
Okay, just focus on your puzzle, my love.
Oops. Maybe this couldn't be the shape of size. I know how to do it, guys. So this is the answer of my question. Oops. It fell off. But that's okay because making mistakes is okay. Look. Put this over side. Oops. Oopsie whoopsie.
Assalamualaikum.
This one goes in the
Ubusin kayo namin ni Makmak.
so it would lose. See? You know the answer to my question is a sea of light. You're not a person because you're big already, so listen to your parents and hit this button to subscribe.
Yes, very good. Subscribe.
Dulo sa dulo, Mak. Ano? Punta ako na yun dun.
Watch it down below. You have to answer. What's this noise? Just the noise, but where are these going? Where are these going?
Walang hit mark ang pusang galato.
This is good.
Go.
Pag mag-slide sila, may lag talaga,
You
no?
can even lay down here when you're relaxing. And when you're resting for a long while. And
Come
then
on.
your tower pain would be gone in no time. This piece here.
Dito lang, dalawa na doon to dito, idol.
Okay. Next. Come on, my love.
I like
This one.
the star. The star.
The star. Okay, this one.
Mix it up together so let's put this over the side.
Okay, okay. Okay, go.
In answer to your question, listen to your parents and hit this button. This one can be over here. And this can be over here. So much fun! You know you like that puzzle,
Mak,
guys.
may extended mag ako dito na, dalhin ko sa'yo, AR. Yun to.
Just go round.
Kailangan ko lang
This
extended
goes
version na ito.
forward. I don't know which this goes, guys.
Just check the other piece so that
The
you will
other
know.
pieces, guys. So, guys, you have to answer to your questions.
Okay, go. Now it's fit.
Oops.
That's good. Okay. Build a star now.
The star needs plenty of 60, 40 hours.
Expert na ako, idol.
See,
Nice.
you don't have to do it big. You have to puzzle it in your whole tripod.
Saan, idol? Ito, idol. Ako mo.
See,
Kunin mo, kunin mo.
what tripod this is.
Yan, para sa
What's
iyo,
a
idol.
tripod, guys? Yeah, guys, the tripod, there's no Pluto on the
Sindig mag, oh.
Earth. No, it's not exist in a magic
Ano?
planet.
Okay.
It's just on the other side we see.
Tinded bag yan. ER.
The
Ay,
season
ito
is
yung
a
ticket. Ang laki.
Mama. Always text her.
Huwag ko nila. Dito, fast add. May fast add dito eh.
Very good. Next, the square.
Where?
Purple square.
Dalawa lang, fast add. Tara.
Sleepy.
Dalawa lang. Wala may... Ito may... Kotse.
Very good.
Huwag ka na load out. Oy, Matt, at babanggain ka ng ano? Over. Babalik yan. Yan, maganda. Lumalaban, boy. Nice. Yan ang gusto ko. Yan ang gusto ko, boy. Okay. Okay, drones.
Okay, next, the red triangle.
Maganda. Umarap ka sa akin. Kusang galakang. Ito pa. Kusang galakang.
Stop, stop.
Ito na.
Huh?
Sa atin yung ano.
Okay, next, the olive
Saan off?
pentagon.
Dito yung biyaya. Kunting pagkakamali, basag agad.
Very good. Next, the oval magenta. Or you want the... Okay, that one. The orange one. Almost finished, my love. Sit down.
Tago ka pa sa kotse, di mo alam ko kung saan tatatamaan mo eh.
Okay, next.
Huwag magtago sa sasakyan pagkita ang paa.
Half circle.
Gonggong.
Pink one.
Sapato, dagdag sa koleksyon. Uy! Ay, hindi ako umangat. Sayang.
Okay, next is oval.
Sabog na yan.
Okay, next. Last one. Green heart.
Uy! Uy! Posang gala. Ay, di napatal ng ano, striker. Sayang. Di napatal ng striker ko, guys. Shotgun. Kala mo mapapatal na siya. Lakas ng buhay nun, pre. Lakas ng buhay.
Very
Magic,
good,
yes,
girl.
bye-bye.